you could understand the investment potential of a property in just one click. Introducing AI Summary, a faster and easier way to start your property research with PropStream Intelligence. To locate the AI Summary in PropStream, search for a property, and from its Property Details page, simply click the AI Summary button located at the top of the page. No prompts, no setup needed. In seconds, PropStream Intelligence generates a concise investment summary on that individual property, identifying key insights like ARV, comparable properties, owner equity, ownership history, distress indicators, linked properties, rental income, and neighborhood appreciation. It can even provide a recommended maximum purchase price based on a 70% rule. And you don't have to stop there. Use the AI assistant's recommended next steps to review comps, explore rental ROI or fix and flip calculations, or skip trace the property owner right from the summary chat. Want to dig deeper? Continue the conversation with the PropStream Intelligence Assistant and ask questions specific to your investment strategy. Are there any signs the owner may be motivated to sell? What rental income could this property generate? Get the answers you need to better understand the opportunity and decide what to do next. Log into PropStream and try AI Summary today, or get started with a 7-day free trial.